probably just go back up here. Get your workout on too at the same time. Hello?
If you're gonna go up the stairs, they're leaf blowing and raking that side.
Oh, okay.
Just take the other side.
Okay, I'll probably just go this way.
Thank you.
All right. Edgar Sanborn. All right. That's where the coin spill was at. We'll have to get at that another time. They ain't saying nothing to me about what I'm doing. And I'm gonna just keep it moving like that then. You feel me? We did find a lot already. I mean, nothing good, but I'm way down. My bag's way down, y'all. I did want to try this this little baseball field out. We're just gonna hit the little patches that we can. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be back more. There's a tag for you. Gorse. I would take it off here for Gorse. I've been seeing Gorse for a long time. There he is. Get it. GIA. Gorsey. We're just going where we can today. That's how it usually is. Some are better than others, but just out here passing time. Another, whoa, not another. We got a door knob. Yeah. I was not expecting that. We got a doorknob, y'all. Good. That's what I was needing. I'm gonna put that, I just put it in my pocket, you feel me? We might want to hold on to that one. Not really, but that's what you get out of Oakland. $31. I would find a doorknob before I found a penny. What is that? Oh, is it a ring? What? That's like the weakest ring ever. Let's take a look at that before I start counting. That's a ring. I know. That's not the best. That's not the best ring. That's not the best ring. I'll give you that, Mike. I say the value's probably, I don't know, actually though, that could be gold. It probably isn't, but it does have, I see a little gold to it. I don't think there's water around here, but I don't know if it's gonna help me though. Nah, not too much. No, I don't know. That could be gold. It's so little. It's so very little. I'm not trying to break it, and I probably just made it worse. I think that's a ring though. Oh, Monterey Magnet, man, you better watch out. If that says like 19, we might be there. Well, no, it definitely doesn't. It says 40. I would have to call that a ring, I think. It goes all the way around. It's not even broken. Yeah, not the best, but we'll take it. There it is, Bay Area. You got yourself a ring. That's what a lot of people are looking for. I still haven't found a penny. I still have not found a penny. Over here, that's random stuff going on over here. $68. Try again. Bottle cap. A bottle cap. No penny. No coins at all. But doorknob, yes. Ring, yes. That's a new cycle. $88. Sounds interesting. I mean, doesn't sound like, now we're getting somewhere. That's good. That is a pull tab. Yeah, pull tab. Got it. And a bunch of worms or something going crazy. They'll find their way back. If they can't, then they don't have much hope. They don't have much hope if they can't find it back into the ground from there. Everywhere I'm going is pretty soggy and wet now. And I guess across this field it'd be a decent try. And there's a ball. Dog ball. We'll see if some dog gets lucky. It's really something interesting sounding here, but the problem is that it's like, I don't know if it has to be any more muddier than it is right here. Man, that doesn't want to come up at all. Good, it doesn't really need to. It's a pull tab. Unneeded. But you're gonna find those. You want to do metal detecting, you're gonna find some pull tabs. Oh, you will, believe me. There's got to be coins on this field and keys. Gots to be. A quarter. That's a, I'll take that for the first coin. I think it's one of the, what does it say on it? It's a new style. It's like a 2022. Maybe. It's getting muddy, y'all. I don't know if I could take that off. You're just gonna have to take it like that. It's a 2022. Or can we all get clean? See, I knew there were some coins here. 2022. We got a quarter. Can we get the rest of them now to get the cycle? That's the hardest one to get. I think the quarter is the hardest one to get. Oh, that was a nice Camaro. Can we get a penny? Because we haven't got a penny yet. Was someone digging here? Because it's already like right there. This should be a penny. I mean, it could be a bottle cap as well, or anything. It could be whatever it wants to be. It could be president. I think it's more in there. Well, it's wet still. Who knows where it's at? Because it doesn't know. Okay, it's in here. Oh, it's a bottle cap. No. Pacifico. That one made me dig. That wasn't nice. $34? Nickel? Is it a nickel? Or those official genuine nickel noises? No. It's a pull tab. It's a pull tab. Yeah, it's a muddy day today, y'all. It's just muddy. This is it. That's how it's going down. 62, 63. It's muddy. We're already muddy. Let's just get it then. Fine. Good. Good. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Good. Pull tab. Okay, come on, nickel. Let's get it. Nah, I heard it. That's a nickel. Come on, we know it. Don't try to play us. We know nickel noises. We know nickel noises when we hear nickel noises. Did it change anything? Nah, it's still 33, 32. I'm calling nickel. Okay. I'm calling nickel. In that wall. It's there, it's in my hand now. It's in the plug. What is it? Can I lose it? That's how it goes. And now it's gone. Oh, now it's a... Dang. That pull tab looks like almost a ring. Pull tab. You said it was a nickel. I know, I lied to myself. I lied. Something. Probably another pull tab. That's crazy. It is a pull tab. Yeah, it is. It's pull tab. I think it's probably some type of pipe. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that one. Blame that one's on the dog. Blame the dogs. That's not right. Yep. Another pull tab. Okay, city's still over there. I'm gonna go the other way. Yes. Pull tab. $43. Okay, we'll see. Since we're right on top, but yeah, pull tab. There it is. Yeah. Cool teasy. Yeah, I want some dry digging area like this. This looks dry. Something's here. Well, we got a piece of foil, but I feel like something else is there. Something else is there. We got some tags. Oh, check out the gats up top. There it is. Zoom in for the gats though. I don't know if I can. I tried though. All right, Mike, I'm out here. Let's get it. Dirty. Something. That's crazy. I'm like, I didn't even pick up anything metal, but you do, you just don't notice. It's a Heineken cap. I'm saying, every time I go metal detecting, I find like the same stuff. If I spend 2 hours or 10 minutes. No pennies today though, huh? I know where they're at, I just didn't go to them. We got so many last time. Had to switch it up a little bit today. Guess we'll just dig. Even though we don't know what we're going after. Bottle cap? Yeah, 40 ounce. Well, we never know. Is that a 40 ounce or not? I don't know. Could be. MGD, Miller Genuine Draft. Nickel? No. It's so similar. X not though. I'm just seeing the numbers. I'm calling nickel, but it's really not. 68. I'm really trying to find a penny now. Do we have it? Yeah. Penny. 1997. Now I can't pick it up. And it didn't get any cleaner. In fact, got a little bit more dirtier. So 1997 penny, let's get it. We got it. You got it. $78. Another penny or a Corona bottle cap. Corona or penny, the new game show coming to some television station or YouTube or something. $45. Hey, life is more like metal detecting than a box of chocolate. Well, a box of chocolate, I feel, I'm not mad at Forrest Gump. I was about to start hating, but nah, he was pretty accurate with that. Because you kind of do know what you're gonna get with this. You're gonna get a bottle cap or a pull tab, and a penny if you're lucky. Unless you're one of those ungratefuls. Yes. Pull tab. And a little wrapper that I can't really probably get in my pocket. So there's that. Anything could be anywhere. And that's why we're right here. $89, $83, $89. No. Jarritos. They're good, but that's not a dime. Let's see, try that again. Yeah, not really. No. Let's mob past these little electrical boxes. There you go. Old Crow. Another tag 22. Dang. Still going. Penny or bottle cap? I think bottle cap. I think a Corona bottle cap. What do you think? Maybe a whole can? I don't know. Maybe a rock? Nope, it's a bottle cap. But not a Corona bottle cap, just a big alcohol bottle probably. And did I stab it? Who knows, maybe. Yep, there's that. No. I can see that one. Modelo? I think so. Pull tab. This thing knows it's metal. Let's try again. It says 83. What is it? I don't know what that is. Maybe a piece of a hose or something. I can't really tell. Something random right there. Piece of a light or something? I don't know. Maybe you do. But there it is, more random stuff. I still got a doorknob in my pocket. That sounded bad. There's more here. There is. So it says pull tab. It knows it's pull tabs. That is a fact. This thing knows about pull tabs. And that's a random rock. That'd be a good one for skipping, huh? Pretty thin. Probably I couldn't see it. Shout out to the GoPro. Let's go. Let's go pro, y'all. Let's pick up these caps and be pros. Like, be a pro, pick up trash. Now that's what I call a real all-star. There is something here, and that's all I know. Or what else could I speculate? Pull tab? No, that's what I call a slam dunk. I don't want that one. It's like in water and no. Just no. Just know that it was no. We're taking the path that the world has put in front of us, which is wherever it's dry and not near a city of Oakland workers. No. No dime, no nickel. But I'm sagging though. This pouch is sagging. What I meant to say is my sack is dragging. No. Oh great, my shoe has come untied. I can't tell what's going on here, but it's very much a mystery. I'm gonna sit down for a second. Oh my goodness. I gotta tie the shoe. It ain't working like that. I've managed to get extremely dirty. I didn't even think this was going down like that. But I was incorrect. Hello. Good morning. That's not like super wet. All right. Bottle. Is it a bottle ring? Yeah, it is. That doesn't count. Bottle ring. Does not count. It doesn't even count as a bottle ring. 74. Let's see what you got. It's a bottle cap. Sierra Nevada. There's a lot going on. It sounds like a lot going on here. That, some type of tarp ring probably. still more going on here. Doesn't sound like anything good. I'll tell you that much. Tell you that much. Some type of phone chip or something. The people always like that, huh? There it is, some type of electronic chip. Made noise. It did that. Whatever's here is making noise. It doesn't sound like anything good. Wow, the littlest. It finds the littlest stuff right there, a little piece of a wrapper. No. Oh, more wrapper, huh? Yep, gum wrapper. And cardboard piece? Yeah. It doesn't read the cardboard piece, so I could leave that, but I think I'll just throw that away too. This is where I found the bullet last time, I think. Somewhere out here, huh? I think this is where it was at. Maybe we'll find more. Penny, I'll take it. We haven't had too many pennies today. 1996, 1994, 1996. $70. Yeah, I saw a bottle cap. I did. I know I did. Yes, I did. I was gonna say Smirnoff. I think it not. Oh no, what is that? I should know that. I mean, I should know all these by now, probably. I don't know, whatever that is. You guys know. You alkies. All right, let's go. $74. Corona. That was like it, right? It was like they came with the Corona. They came with Corona, and they made everyone go do something, and then some people out here, and then they dig up a cap, and it's like Corona. It's like, I got you. Now I see what you was doing. Must be some foil. Must be the foil. We were over here before. This is where we actually started today. So everything comes full circle, I guess. And something big, maybe? Or is that just a rock I'm hitting? No, I think it's just a cap. That? Yeah, it's a cap with a bunch of roots growing through it. Dorothy Joseph Bosch. Memorial Grove. All right, we're cleaning up. Oh, Circle Gang. Circle Gang. That's vintage Circle right there. Back when Circle started. I can't say too much though. No. Hello.
She's been locked in the house during all this rain. She's so happy.
I hear that. I feel the same. A quarter or something big? I'm not getting any type of reading. Stockton Unified School District. Dang, Stockton in the house. Yeah. To the 209 though. Shout out to Mudville then. I know what it's like now. Where is this quarter at? It says there's a quarter. I'm not finding it. Huh? Can you even dig right there? Oh yeah, you can. If a quarter comes out, I'm gonna be lightweight, tripping. Like nah, heck no. It's a nail. It's like the weakest little nail ever. Good. That's what we wanted, was a nail. I want to do the middle of the street. And what's gonna stop you then? I guess not much. Let's get the middle of the street old chai here. I think I'm just gonna go. Well, that guy definitely didn't have a catalytic converter no more. Yeah, we're across the street now. I don't know how stuff would have made it here, but it would have. Oh, I tripped over a branch. It should have got a lot quieter here. We'll see if we get any type of noises. The middle of the street's too hectic. We're getting like every reading right here. A bottle cap right there. There it is. That's a cap, but it's not ringing because it's plastic. We'll pick it up anyway. Look, there's the city of Oakland. They're like, why is this fool doing our job for free? There's a bottle cap. No name, no plug. No suit for you. Oh yeah, it's quiet now. There is a tire back there though. I do see a tire. Oh, there's a water line, some type of line. Probably should be on this side. Closer to the road might have more action. I mean, this area has been here a long time. People have been driving by it. It's pretty much probably untouched. So probably not too much I could even find out here, but at the same time, someone had to drop a penny. $96, $79, I mean 74. Something's here. That's always the interesting part. We don't know what it is. But there's too much stuff in this bag, I can tell you that. Oh, we could have probably, no, we couldn't have guessed. Some type of big circle. There it is. One of those vintage ones. Some type of bag with a, most likely a bottle in it. No cap, no noises. Well, there's something there. That's random. I like that. A cap, no name. Just a number 1581 or something like that. There's a cap. Something's there. It said like 80 something for a second, but it also said 60, and it also said I'm not doing it. Oh, that's what I said. City of Oakland trucks, they're probably confused to why someone's actually cleaning instead of littering, but or they're like, is that fool littering? Because I think he's littering. This pouch is like way too heavy though, so I'm about to quit in a second due to overloaded pouch activity. Oh, a tire weight, a wheel weight, and it says Wards on it. Is that Montgomery Wards? Probably. See, a wheel weight. That's what you get near the road. 80, something that's 80. Let's see. I can't tell. We're just gonna have to dig out the whole area. No, probably that cap right there, or is it a can? It's a can. Yeah, it's an old Coors. They kept it real with that one. That's a real find right there. An old Coors can. I mean, that's interesting. All right, sorry if my camera's been aimed down for a while or not, who knows. Here's an old Coors can. That's intact pretty much. Look, no, it had the old pull tab and it's flattened and it's pretty much all there. So where we go, we got a Coors can. Someone's gonna collect some of these. Probably me. Mike, I'm out here. Let's get it. Joaquin Miller's and Butters. Butters? That's the street? I guess so. Let's get it. Security cameras are in use. Oh, Anytime you go back in the cuts like this, you're finna find a condom wrapper. There it is, Magnum. Well, we found it. All right, here we go with the wrap up. Got a lot of caps, some computer piece, pipe, doorknob, can, cores. Yes, it is an old cores. Bottle top, random piece. Got a ring. I think that counts. Yes, it does. That's a ring. I count it. Do you count it? I don't think it's worth very much, but still, there it is. Old can top pieces, caps, big nail, stake, 2 quarters, 3 pennies, heart, that, foil, more stuff, Colt 45, yes, bunch of circles, and this, found 120731. All right, we'll be back. Peace. Hit the like.